Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download and install the Microsoft Net Framework 4.6.1 version. To begin, open your browser and type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. Click on the search bar on the right and type Net Framework 4.6.2 and hit enter. You want to click on the first option and you will be redirected to another website. Here, if you are a developer, you want to download the developer pack. But if you are using your laptop for daily usage, desk usage, then you want to click download.net framework. Hit enter or right click with the mouse. The download will begin. Once the download is completed, go to your download folder, right click, select run as administrator, allow this app to make changes, click yes, and then the installation will begin like any software. After that, you will need just to restart your computer and the installation is done. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.